Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the mat size in circuit design space on your iPhone. This is important when your project is bigger or smaller than the standard mat. Let's get started. Open the circuit design space app on your iPhone. Tap the new project to open a blank canvas. Add a shape, image or text to your canvas. If you upload your own image or pick one from the library, place it where you want it on canvas. When your design is ready, tap the green make it button at the top. This will take you to the mat preview screen where you can see how your design will be pointed on the mat. On the mat preview screen, look for the mat size option at the top. Tap it to see a list of available mat size. Select the mat size that matches your project. 12 into 12 inches standard mat, 12 into 24 inches for longer design, 8.5 into 11 inches for small project. Make sure the mat size you want or you select fits your material and design. After choosing the mat size, check your design placement on the preview. If needed, drag your design to fit the mat properly. You can also resize it using two fingers. Once everything looks good, tap the continue. Connect your iPhone to your circuit mat machine by Bluetooth. Select your material, load the mat into the machine and press go cut. That's it. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helpful. Drop a like and for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.